Hello, this is novaTopFlex. This video demonstrates the inverse of the error function as identified in the SciPy module, the Python science module. It is scipy.special.erfinv, and that's going to be to specifically find the inverse of the error function. So really, what we're looking at is the value, what to plug into the error function to get a certain result. So this inverse is a domain of -1 to 1 because the regular error function has a range of -1 to 1. Here, the range is all real numbers. Because the regular function, the domain is all real numbers. So this is just a brief test. If you like this type of content and would like more, please like, share, comment, subscribe, try to hack the YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching. Signing off with more content on your way shortly, if you continue watching. Thank you.